Kaboom City, all thanks to the Justice Stars team, led by Starlo, along with Netflix and his team of ex-Extinguishers. And finally, Tweety Kid and her Construct team.
As long as the light shines, I, Emperor Order, shall guide you so that peace may reign in Kaboom City.
But when it's nighttime, little brother, that's when I, Monarch Chaos, take over! Bring chaos with me! In need of urgent help! Rescue needed! The band is being attacked by the Chaos Smashers!
Great Mania!
Kaboom City's treasures are ours!
Bonfire! The Ruby of Things is too! The Scepter of Cthulhu! The Lollipop of Power! Cashillion! Rescue Truck!
They're right up there! I'll take care of them! If I can make it! I can make it!
Halt in the name of the Lord!
Oh, what a mess! It's missing a certain...
Don't lose them! Let's call our rescue jets! That treasure doesn't belong to you!
Just tickles!
Our Petrometal armor was made by Emperor Order himself. So what? Ours were forged by Lunar Chaos. It makes us invincible. Go buy yourself something nicer. Power! Your turn, Watermax!
Okie dokie! Tsunami spray! What a party pooper! Totally villain-proof!
Truly approved!
But the ground isn't!
They got away, but the treasure is safe. My heroes have been victorious once again.
Next time I'll send them to the moon! Oops!
Maybe, but I'm certain that this team will always return to protect Kaboom City.
Hey, team!
Go team!